Welcome back to Rob's Home Bar. It is 2021, and you are probably wondering to yourself, why are hot peppers raining down on my bar? Well, that's a good question. You see, I partnered again with Vino at 60 Second Cocktail, and this time with David as well at Booze on the Rocks, to issue a brand new challenge to the cocktail community here on YouTube. This is Spice on the Rocks 2021. So we were really thrilled at the response for the Christmas Martini Challenge, so we wanted to kick off the year with something hot and spicy. So as you can imagine, this is a spicy drink challenge. So there's only 3 rules. Number 1, make it spicy. That can any way you want. You can use peppers, you can use liqueurs that are already spicy, you can use a hot sauce, whatever you want, just make a spicy drink. Rule number 2, use the hashtag SpiceOnTheRocks2021. Just put it in the description or the title, and YouTube will do the rest. It'll group all the videos together when you search for the hashtag. Rule number 3, just post by February 1st, because we want to keep this challenge in January. Come February 1st, we've got bigger, better things to get to, so post by February 1st. And that's it, guys. Just like last time, there's no judging. This is not a contest. There are no losers, only winners. We all get to contribute and we all get to benefit from all these amazing videos. We would like to once again call out the entire community, all channels, big and small. We really hope you'll participate. We had a lot of friends as well on Instagram participate to the last challenge. So please, if you're on Instagram, simply post your photos and use the hashtag. Lastly, guys, if you want to use any of the logos, the logo photos or animations, that's all available on a website. The link is in the description down below, so you can download those assets, add it to your video production. Okay? And that's it. That's it for the challenge, guys. I am looking forward to seeing everyone's submissions. Looking forward to seeing all the creativity that the community brings to the world of cocktail making. And I will finish by saying, never ever make a Scotch bonnet old-fashioned. This thing is a monstrosity. Oh God, my mouth. I took a sip and my mouth was burning for about 30 minutes afterwards. Obviously, this is not my official submission. I will be posting my video later in the month, probably mid-January, and I can't wait to see what everyone else comes up with, all the creativity. It's going to be awesome. Please check out David and Vino's challenge video. They will be linked below. And Happy New Year, and can't wait to see some videos. Cheers, guys.